ASM Auto Supply has been in business for over 3 decades. Conveniently located on the southwest corner of Midway Airport, we can easily supply all of your automotive needs. Please give us a call at 773-735-1140. We are also a proud sponsor of the Chicago Wise Guys.
Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video.
How you doing? My name is Lacey, and this is my 1970 Chevelle. I bought stock, numbers matching. What I've done so far is the front lip on the front end of the car, new Holley LED headlights, new Dapper lighting, switchback turn signal lights up front, US mags, billet 20-inch rims on the front, 20x8 up front, 20x10 in the back.
Nice.
We walk.
And then where did you get yeah, those rims are perfect. Those rims are perfect.
Thank you. Suspension wise, all QA1 suspension front and back.
Okay.
The reason I can get the ride height the way it is now. The original paint that came with the car is what you see now. New fuel tank and LED tail lights in the back.
Neat. And then how did you choose this car? How long have you had it?
Only had the car a year.
Okay.
Yeah, a little over a year. I got the car in May of last year.
And you did all this?
And I did all this within a run of a year.
There you go.
Between brand new American auto wire from the headlight to the inside to the dash onto the tail lights are all new.
Wow.
Everything is brand new.
Wow. And then let's take a look at the interior here.
Okay. The interior has been completely refreshed. The dash pad has been wrapped in vinyl. You have decoded digital for the dash instruments, and the A-pillars are now tweeters.
Oh, that's neat.
And then the kick panels, I have 6.5 speakers down in the kick panels. LED lights completely all the way through. My headrests are now wrapped in vinyl. New carpeting, new center console, new horseshoe, and new package tray.
Nice.
Thank you.
Nice. And then can we take a look at the engine?
Yeah, of course. Okay, so what makes the engine so special is because when I bought this car, this is a numbers matching engine and transmission. So the drivetrain on this car is actually numbers matching to the car.
Nice.
I left it in there. The only thing I did do is dress it up. So what we have here is the new valve covers, new air intake, new upper intake, new water pump, new alternator, new show pulleys from CBF, Wheelbase brake system, and as you can see, the wires are not all over the engine bay. A lot of the wires have been tucked and hidden just to make it look clean.
There you go.
It's EFI as well.
Sure. And then this person behind you, is that your
That's my wife.
Pit crew?
Yep, that's my wife / pit crew.
There you go. Cool.
Yeah. And so new gearbox, fast ratio gearbox, new intermediate shaft, new headers, as again EFI, injection. Everything under here is basically new, except for the windshield wiper motor.
Right, I can see. Right.
That's the only thing.
And you did all this in a year?
Yeah, all within a year.
I wonder what your hobby is.
I'm a mechanic.
Oh, are you? Are you?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm a mechanic.
Cool. Then do we have special exhaust?
No, actually, it's still it's exhaust cutouts on here. It dump right there by the door, but the exhaust is actually new as well.
There you go.
Again, the transmission is original. The drive shaft is original, and it's a 396 12-volt and
there you go.
373 gears.
Neat. Can we hear how the car sounds?
Yeah, of course.
Cool.
Gotcha. approach it.
Nice, nice. And
Okay. So I am so proud of my husband for making this car so beautiful for me to be a great Uber driver. It's so nice and clean. We're gonna get 5 stars. And deliver pizza on the side. So let me know if y'all want some pizza in this 1970 Chevelle SS.
Look at that.
Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Enjoy the next video.